Joining a Livestorm webinar as an attendee is a straightforward process, but if you're new to the platform, it might seem a little daunting at first. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through every step to ensure you join your webinar seamlessly, whether you're on a desktop or mobile device. And by the way, you can use Livestorm for free through the link below with our exclusive bonuses, so stick around to the end to grab that offer. To get started, the first thing you'll need is an invitation to the Livestorm webinar. You'll typically receive this through email, which contains a direct link to the event. Once you have that link, you can join the webinar from any modern web browser, so there's no need to download anything, no apps, no software. It's all browser-based, making it incredibly convenient. So open that email, click the link, and you'll be taken straight to the webinar page. Next, you'll see a registration page. If you haven't already registered, you'll need to fill in a few details. This could be as simple as entering your name and email address. Livestorm uses this to personalize the webinar experience and send you reminder emails before the event starts. Some webinars may ask for additional information, like your company name or job title, but these fields are usually optional. Just fill out whatever is requested, then hit the register button. Once registered, you're almost there. You'll receive a confirmation email with your access link, which you can use to join the webinar on the day of the event. This is an important step, especially if the webinar is live. Make sure to mark your calendar and set a reminder so you don't miss it. Now, on the day of the webinar, simply click the link again to access the live session. When you click, you'll be directed to a waiting room where you'll see a brief screen that says, "Waiting for host." Don't worry, this just means the host is getting ready and you'll be let in shortly. This is common for most webinars and allows the host to set everything up before attendees enter. Livestorm's interface is super intuitive, but it's still good to know what to expect once you're in. When you join the webinar, you'll be able to see and hear the host clearly, along with any presentations they might be sharing. The main part of the screen will feature the video stream, but you'll also see chat options where you can interact with the presenter and other attendees. Speaking of interaction, Livestorm also allows you to ask questions during the webinar. You can submit these through the Q&A section if that's enabled, or through the chat. Some webinars might have live polls or surveys, so keep an eye on any interactive features the host might use. Now, if you're using Livestorm on a mobile device, the process is nearly the same. You'll still receive the invitation link through email, and you'll be able to join right from your browser, or use the mobile app for an even more optimized experience. However, some mobile versions might have limitations on certain features, so it's always worth checking the event details ahead of time. Once the webinar is finished, you might receive a follow-up email containing a recording of the session, a link to additional resources, or even a survey asking for feedback. This helps the host improve future webinars and gives you the opportunity to review anything you might have missed. So, to recap, the process to join a Livestorm webinar as an attendee is simple. Click the invitation link, fill out any required registration details, wait for the webinar to begin, and enjoy the session. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, Livestorm's user-friendly platform ensures you can easily join the conversation and participate. Before you go, don't forget that if you want to try Livestorm for free, click the first link in the description below to grab our exclusive bonus and start your extended trial today. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your next webinar experience with Livestorm.